Hello guys, another cycling jersey tayo. And today, this one is from Rudy Project. Ayan, so nispoil ako ng misis ko. And this was given to me as a gift by my wife. Dapat mabait kayo guys sa wife nyo guys para may cycling jersey kayo. Okay, so this one is from Rudy Project and I believe bagong labas nila ito, bagong model, and maganda yung quality, promise. Okay, so test fit natin guys. Okay, so ito siya guys. Ayan. Sakto siya for me. For your reference, I am 78 kilograms and 5'7" sa height. This one is size large. Usually, size XL ako sa ibang jersey. Pero sa Rudy Project ay size large. I don't know, yung iba kasi sabi nila running small daw yung sizing nila. So, for me parang okay naman yung size large. Feeling ko parang combination ng race fit tsaka comfortable na fitting for me. Ayan. So, ito siya guys. Maganda yung quality ng fabric niya. Napaka-premium. It's been a while since it's been a while. Okay. Before pa ako nagta-target ng Rudy Project, and nag-aabang-abang lang ako ng good deal or sale sa online, and fortunately nabigyan tayo ng gift ng misis natin. So yun lang guys. Again, for your reference, I am 5'7" and 78 kilograms, and this one is size large. Okay, yun lang guys. Thank you, ride safe, bye bye.